Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks. In this video we're going to show how to replace the coil pack on a 2014 Chevy Cruze. First things first, we'll get the plastic cover off. Next we'll unplug the coil pack. So just keep in mind that my clip is actually broken, so this black piece is not supposed to come off. You'll just use the screwdriver to pop that pink clip out. It'll come out like that, and then you can pull the plug out. But this black piece is not supposed to come out. Alright, now that the coil pack plug is off, you can loosen the two bolts that are connecting the coil pack to the top of the engine. Alright, now the bolts are out and you can just pull up on the coil pack and it should come straight out. There you go, there's your old coil pack, and you can set that to the side. So at this point it's a good idea to check your spark plugs, make sure they're tight or make sure they don't need to be replaced before you put the new coil pack on. Here's a quick view where the coil pack fits in, just in case you need to see that. The coil packs literally just slide right into those holes, and then you will bolt it into these holes here. Alright, so I'm going to be replacing my spark plug coils with an MSD performance ignition coil. Since I thought it needed to be replaced, I thought, well, I might as well replace it with something that will improve its performance. So I'm going to try out these MSD coils. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Comes with a couple stickers, information piece, and here is the new ignition coil, nice and shiny. You can also get black if you don't want the red. And it comes with new boots, but not with new bolts. So let's go ahead and get it put in. Alright, so now that we have the coil back in and everything back together, I just wanted to say a quick note that the boots actually come pre-greased with dielectric grease. But if your coil pack does not come pre-greased, you can just put a thin little band of dielectric grease at the inside tip of the spark plug boot. That way it will seal well with the spark plugs. Alright, we got everything put back together and it seems to be running pretty smooth. I'll have to give you an update after I drive it for a while to see if I notice any differences with how it runs. But I hope you found this video helpful, and feel free to ask me any questions you might have, and I'll try to put a link to purchase the MSD coil in the description below. Thanks for watching.